coefficient of mutual induction or mutual inductance is occurred due to the coaxial coils. Means two coils, one is primary and secondary. When the varying current is passing through the primary coil, induced EMF is established in the secondary coil. So we want to take here two coils. This is the secondary coil, this is the primary coil. Both coil are coaxial coils. This is secondary coil, small one, big one is primary coil. Okay, flux linked with the secondary coil which has N2 turns for the mutual inductance. We know the formula. N2 phi is equal to Mi. Under the mutual induction or under the mathematical expression of coefficient of mutual induction or mutual inductance, N2 phi is equal to Mi. Let us take equation 1. Flux in the primary coil due to flow of varying current. Varying current is passing through the primary coil. So the flux is linked with it. The flux in the primary coil due to flow of varying current is phi is equal to Ba. We know that one, the varying current is passing through the primary coil, along its axial line magnetic flux is established or magnetic field is established. This is a solenoid. We know the magnetic induction inside the solenoid. What is that one? B is equal to mu 0 N1 I by L into A. Let us take equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, substitute that. N2 is N2, instead of phi, what we can write? Mu 0 N1 I by L into A is equal to Mi. I cancel. So what we can get the equation for the coefficient of mutual inductance for coaxial coils? M is equal to mu 0 capital N1 capital N2 A by L. Take square on both sides. What we can get? Mu 0 square N square N1 square A square by L square. Now I am multiplied by I square and divide by I square. Now you can write mu naught, one mu naught is here, another mu naught is here, N1 square, one I is here, another I is here, one A is here, one A is here, one L is here, one L is here. So what we can get? The answer is M square is equal to, this is L1, this is L2. What is L1? L1 is equal to mu 0 N1 I into A by L. That is L1. This is L2. So we can get the answer. That is M is equal to M square is equal to L1 L2. M is equal to root L1 L2. Okay, this is the equation for the coefficient of mutual induction. Okay, this is the expression. What is the equation for L? L is equal to mu 0 I1 I2. So L is there. L is there means here you want to take here I square is there by I square is there, but here it is. I missed here one step. What is the step I missed here? It is, this is L1 I into L2 I by I square. So L1 L2 I square by I square, these two are cancel. Just a minute, I want to write this step. M is equal to, this is L1I, this is L2I by I square L1 L2 I square by I square, these two are cancel, m square is equal to L1 L2, m is equal to root L1 L2. This is another expression, especially we can use this for the formulas. Okay, this is about the coefficient of mutual induction for coaxial coils. Formula is mu is equal to capital N1 capital N2 A by L. Another form is m is equal to root L1